Alright, Buckeye Coaster fans, we are here at SeaWorld, and Pipeline the Surf Coaster is now complete and a complete circuit. Check it out. This is from the parking lot here. So you can see the station right in front of us. First launch out through that area, up through the turn, and all the rest of it's circuit there. So it is now a complete circuit, so we're going to head on inside and get a better look at it. So this is Pipeline the Surf Coaster from the parking lot. All right, Buckeye Coaster fans, we are here at the front gate now. This will be the look that the guests will have as they come into the front gate. They will see the train fly by here and go up into its first turn as they are entering the park. Go through this turn, over through this inversion, but they'll get to see the train flying through its launch section here when they come in through the turnstiles here. As you can see, we're right up here up front. So the guests are going to get to see Pipeline the Surf Coaster right as they come in, right in the park, from the parking lot to the front gates. So now we're going to head on into the park. All right, Buckeye Coaster fans, up front here, they now have a piece of the, or a section of the Pipeline the Surf Coaster train. Check it out right here. You are actually going to be on it surfing. Check it out. So you get to hang 10 on the surfboard. Very cool concept for the ride vehicle. Check. Who's ready to hang 10 with me? Now we're going to head on over to the bridge area to see more of the ride as a whole. Alright, Buckeye Coaster fans, we are walking across the bridge now. You can see Pipeline the Surf Coaster from here. It dominates the front entrance now of the park. So you can see the turn coming out of the launch right there, playing as day now. Very, very cool. You can see the back half of the ride on this side next to Bayside Tower, or Bayside Stadium. It's going to be built right up against the stadium there. We're out here, you can see all the trees on the lake here. Very cool. Mako in the background, Kraken in the background, Manta in the background. Icebreaker, just got off of it. Awesome ride, love it. We're getting closer up here so you guys can get a better look of it. We're looking straight at the launch area right now. Launch area, like we said in the earlier part of the video, we'll go straight across the front entrance there, so everybody as they come in the entrance is going to get an awesome look at the trains flying by out of the station there. So you can actually see the station now coming up in the view right here. So there's station view right there. Really cool look. Launch out right here, come up through the turn, down through the twists, turns, the inversion, through the other turns. Really cool. Keep walking down the bridge here. Give you guys a complete look of it. You can see there where it's gonna circle around the backside of the Bayside Stadium there, and then it'll hit the brake run there at the background. They were working on the maintenance shed and everything there, and the station platform. When we came in, you can see some workers there over there on site near the launch area. You can see some workers straight in front of us as well in a lift. You can see up on top there, they have a net to catch anything coming off the ride. Very, very cool. So this is Jeremy from Buckeye Coasters giving you a live in-person update of the construction here at Pipeline, the surf coaster here at SeaWorld Orlando, the first surf coaster in the world. So this was a collaboration between B&M and SeaWorld. Super excited about it. Can't wait to see test runs happening here in the near future. So again, this is Jeremy from Buckeye Coasters. Hope you enjoyed this. This is, we are just days away from Christmas, so Merry Christmas to all. Happy holidays, and see you in the parks.